In this video, we're going to emboss SRS airbag onto our new airbag part. To start, we want to turn on the visibility of our steering wheel base. Start a sketch on the front face of that. Then we want to turn on our sketch picture and note the SRS airbag logo at the bottom portion of our airbag. We start by creating a line for construction under the length of SRS airbag. It's important to right-click on this line, select midpoint, Control-select a vertical entity behind it, and make coincident. Now we can select this line, select our text feature on our Sketch tab, and type SRS airbag. Note that airbag is located to the left side of this line, but by using some of the features, we can center the alignment. Next, we want to deselect Use Document Font and change the size of our lettering, 28 in this case. Also notice that the lettering is fairly thin. We can change the font by selecting any of the available fonts in our list. Let's use Copperplate Gothic. Go ahead and OK that. Also note available options for going to bold, italicizing your letters, and also changing the width of the letter and the spacing between each letter. For our purposes, let's go ahead and OK this, exit our sketch, and use our text to create an extrude cut. From here, we're going to start by offsetting this 40 millimeters above our part. The next thing we want to do is change our direction 1 to offset from surface, select a surface, reverse the offset, translate surface, and make sure that we use an appropriate number. In this case, we're going to use 1 millimeter. Another important thing is select bodies. We want to manually select the body to cut, in our case the airbag. If we leave auto selected on, it's possible that our airbag solid is going to be merged with our steering wheel base. At this point in time, we don't want to merge these two, so we want to make sure that we select the feature scope of our extrude cut operation. By selecting OK, we have simply removed SRS airbag from our solid airbag part. We can hide our sketch picture and take a closer look at what we've done. You might note that 1 millimeter might be a little bit extreme for us to cut from this, but I simply wanted to show you how easy it is to offset the surface using the extrude cut since we created a solid part with our airbag. At any point in time, you can go back and change any of the dimensions that have created this cut. For instance, we could change this to 1/4 millimeter, have a little bit more appropriate emboss on our steering wheel airbag. This concludes the video on embossing SRS airbag.